it's, it's all this smoke here down in hell. I mean, hello. Uh, he'll find it very nice here. Smell that fresh air. Chilliwack. It reeks like a pig slaughter. We're gonna have to burn that fucking turkey farm down and spreading it so gossipy like it's a rat just carrying like the bubonic plague. It's cucarachas. We're gonna have to exterminate the whole kit and caboodle. It's for the community betterment. Think about the children. You don't want these poison peddling, lumberjacking wanksters pretending to be gangsters cutting their drugs with, allegedly, there's some ice cream men peddling ice cream at night. Who does that? Oh, mud floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, natural, unnatural, definitely abnormal, paranormal, X-Files, 21 Jump Street, Narcos. I got heavies. Just look next door. Our good neighbors in the United States of America, a corporation. We use SIN numbers here in Canada. Hi, I'm Andy O.G. Yoon. I do like my shirt. It's like a spider web and an Asian Spider-Man and a high-value program benefit delivery management systems officer of 2 decades. Do you know what I've learned in those 2 decades? A lot. And I don't always play by the rules. Rules are meant to be honored like promises and an olive branch, or slippery, cracked, fractured simulations, just like those NPCs and useless eaters poisoning our systems. We need some ratification, implementation of a project manager, agreements and contracts type of compliance reviews, monitoring and investigations. Welcome to